Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You've blamed yourself for years. Why can't I stop eating chips? Why do I crave fast food? But what if I told you, it's not your fault. Ultra-processed foods are designed by billion-dollar labs to hijack your brain, destroy your willpower, and keep you hooked. Today, we're diving into the brain science of food addiction, the 3 sneaky tricks food engineers use, a step-by-step plan to break free, backed by Harvard researchers. Let's begin. Let's start with your brain. When you eat ultra-processed foods, they trigger a dopamine flood, 50% stronger than natural foods. Dopamine isn't just about pleasure, it's about motivation. It screams, "Do this again!" But here's the catch. Over time, your brain numbs itself. You need more junk to feel the same rush. This is called hedonic adaptation. In 2023, the NIH found people ate 500 plus extra calories a day on processed diets without even realizing it. A Yale study found junk food activates the same brain regions as cocaine, but unlike drugs, you can't quit food. That's why food engineers weaponize this. Food engineers use military-grade tactics to addict you. Let's break down their playbook. Coca-Cola's secret formula? 10.6% sugar. The exact Bliss point to max cravings without overwhelming sweetness. Your tongue has 10,000 taste buds. Processed foods bombard them with artificial umami, MSG, and crunchscapes to keep you eating mindlessly. Foods that melt in your mouth trick your brain into thinking you're not full. That's why you can eat a family-sized bag of chips and still want more. This isn't just about cravings. Ultra-processed foods are linked to gut damage as emulsifiers strip protective mucus, brain fog because inflammatory cytokines cross the blood-brain barrier, metabolic chaos by spiking insulin, then crashing it. But there's hope. Let's reset your biology. Rebooting your brain takes 21 days, but these steps will help you start today. If you snack at 3 p.m., replace chips with walnuts and dark chocolate. Spices like smoked paprika and nutritional yeast mimic umami without MSG. Use the out-of-sight, out-of-mind rule. Store junk food in opaque containers. Avoid foods with more than 5 ingredients or words you can't pronounce. The food industry spent decades engineering your addiction. But now, you have the tools to fight back. If this video helped, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to spread this message. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week we're exposing more health secrets you need to know. Comment below. What's the one processed food you'll quit first?